Hi guys, West Country Explorer here, and the Explore Channel UK behind me, and we've come to the site of an old golf course. So something a little bit different, guys. Let's have a little stroll around and see what we see. That over there's changing rooms and toilets, like the entrance area there. Not really anything to see nowadays to indicate what it used to be. But I mean, it's just one of those places you can walk out in nature now. Apparently this used to be a tip at one point. The impression I've got from what I've read online is that it was a tip area before it became a golf course, and in recent years there has been proposals to turn it into, I put a housing estate on here, which is, I think it has been rejected at least once, because what with the fact it was a tip at one point, people don't want it being disturbed, all like the buried rubbish, don't want like pollution getting into the river and all the rest. Some rabbit holes there. Well, no, it's too big for rabbit holes. Oh, excuse me, trumpy bum. Animal holes anyway, one's kind of another. Would it be badgers maybe? Would it be a badger sap? Yeah, so I mean, I don't know how many holes this golf course would have been. I mean, it was Josh that told me about this place. Like I said, nothing really to indicate it was a golf course. And I'll be honest with you guys, if I didn't specifically know this was the site of an abandoned golf course, I wouldn't have been able to work it out for myself purely by coming here. But no, it's so lovely. Oh, I tell you, it's a good area for coming out for a walk. Lovely bit of countryside. Josh.
Hello.
Yeah.
You freak me out sometimes.
I think I freak everybody out sometimes. Hey,
It's alright.
I wonder if we'll see that sweetie thief here. Remember that sweetie thief from earlier?
Oh yeah, Sweetie Thief. Yeah,
Sweetie
it's like
Thief.
the police volunteer thing. We thought maybe he might be in a community service, doing his community time for being an ex-prisoner or something, but
Hey,
or an ex-criminal.
we think he might have been a
Shout-
sweetie thief.
Gonna shout Sweetie Thief at him the whole time. Had police volunteer written on him as well. Yeah. Anyway, feel like quite a joke really. Yeah. Weird. I've never seen them with a police volunteer.
No.
To be honest with you. Got Great Western Railway over there as well.
Oh, can't see it from here. I can hear it. But yeah, near the railway line.
It's not big. How many holes were there?
I don't know. No, I don't know how many holes this golf course was.
It's quite big. I reckon it'll have a good. We could go in for quite some time.
But the thing is, it doesn't look like an abandoned golf course. I was just saying a few minutes ago, if I didn't know in advance what it was, I wouldn't have been able to work out just by coming here.
Just like a field.
Yeah, it is. It's exactly that. Yeah, it is just like a field.
Yeah, it's surprising what it was once before. It's also relatively surprising how nature takes its steps.
That's right. Yeah.
It takes back everything, even the buildings we go in.
That's right. Yeah.
This morning, that one we went in.
Oh yeah, the greenhouses. Yeah,
That's
being
soil on
reclaimed.
top of it.
Oh yeah.
I can't hold it upside down.
Oh no. Just up there is pretty much the end of it all. Oh, okay, no problems. Yep. Yeah, it's very much just an open field now, really. I'll tell you something, guys. Very good place for a walk in nature. Tent down there. There we go. Oh yeah, the River Avon. No, is it? Yeah, there it says River Avon. So the tennis golf course has been just over there, so very close to the river. Oh, such a beautiful, glorious day, very sunny. Absolutely lovely.
It is indeed.
Oh. So there you have it, guys. Just a little stroll along what was a disused golf course. Very nice stroll in nature. As you can see, I've got a little fluffy ducky behind me.
Yep. Always poke my head in.
Oh, they've got to be done. Yeah. Alright, so I think that's more than likely it for me for today. It's got to soon get a train home, and it's hot and we're tired.
Yeah, well hot.
Yeah, it is very hot. Yeah. Oh, look at that! It's not often we get a sunny day like this. I mean, so far this year we've been getting some good weather, so hopefully, guys, this year is going to be better than last year. Last year we had an absolute crap summer, so hopefully this year we get a decent one. It's got to be a decent June. That's what I'm hoping for, a decent June. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. In the meantime, as usual, stay safe, take care, God bless.